Very happy to see you here. I hope you and family are keeping safe. Can I request you for a subscription? That will be cool. The Alpine Ibex, also known as the Steinbock Bouquetin, or simply Ibex, is a species of wild goat that lives in the mountains of the European Alps. It is a sexually dimorphic species with larger males that carry larger, curved horns. Their coat color is typically brownish-gray. Alpine Ibex tend to live in steep, rough terrain near the snow line. They are also social, although adult males and females segregate for most of the year, coming together only to mate. 4 distinct groups exist: adult male groups, female offspring groups, groups of young individuals, and mixed-sex groups. During the breeding season, males fight for access to females and use their long horns in agonistic behaviours. After being extirpated from most areas by the 19th century, the Alpine Ibex was successfully reintroduced to parts of its historical range. All individuals living today descend from the stock in Gran Paradiso National Park in Aosta Valley and Piemonte, a national park created to help the ibex thrive. The ibex is the emblem of both the Gran Paradiso National Park and the contiguous Vanoise National Park across the French border. The species is currently listed as of least concern by the IUCN, but went through a population bottleneck of less than 100 individuals during its near-extinction event. This has led to very low genetic diversity across populations. Compared with other members of its genus, the Alpine Ibex has a short, broad head and a duller coat. It has brownish-gray hair over most of the body, a pale abdomen, and slightly darker markings on the chin and throat and in a stripe along the back. They molt twice a year, firstly in April or May, and then again in September, when they replace the short summer coat with thicker hair and a woolly undercoat. Alpine Ibex are strictly herbivorous, with over half of their diet consisting of grasses, and the remainder being a mixture of mosses, flowers, leaves, and twigs. If leaves and shoots are out of reach, they often stand on their rear legs to reach this food. The climbing ability of the Alpine Ibex is such that it has been observed standing on the sheer face of the Segregate Dam in Piedmont, Italy, where it licks the stonework to obtain mineral salts. The breeding season starts in December, and typically lasts around 6 weeks. Gestation lasts around 167 days, and results in the birth of 1 or 2 kids, with twins making up about 20% of births. Alpine Ibex reach sexual maturity at 18 months, but females do not reach their maximum body size for 5 to 6 years, and males not for 9 to 11 years. The horns grow throughout life, growing most rapidly during the 2nd year of life, and thereafter by about 8 centimeters a year, eventually slowing to half that rate once the animal reaches 10 years of age. Alpine Ibex live for up to 19 years in the wild. An excellent climber, its preferred habitat is the rocky region along the snow line above alpine forests, where it occupies steep, rough terrain. They are typically absent from woodland areas, although adult males in densely populated areas may stay in larch and mixed larch spruce woodland if no snow has fallen. I just hope you liked this video, and I will look forward to see you pretty soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling.